And how's it going, guys? Before we start, we have a new free cinematic sound pack that we're giving out in the link below, made by my bro Nate. It's extremely dope. Check it out. Tell me what you think. Download it.
Hi, I'm Chris Simon.
And I'm Josh Olufemii. Chris is one of my best friends, and he's the owner of DareBloc. It's a production company that produces all my music videos. It's pretty cool. We've been all over the place. We just went to Dallas, Texas, and there we shot 2 music videos. We're gonna actually be using a scene from one of those videos to talk about a really cool lighting effect that we used only one light to make.
All right, before we get started, huge shout out to the channel sponsor, Envato Elements. As a producer, I constantly have to stay within budget. So that means I have to make a lot of creative compromises. But with Envato Elements subscription service, you can download unlimited title packs. You don't have to. You can save costs on VFX. You can download unlimited stock footage, aerial shots, establishing shots. So if you really want to maximize your budget, get the subscription service from Envato Elements.
And the cool thing is you can get all this for only $33 a month, and you can get your first month for only $9 in the description below. Now let's get back to this tutorial.
A couple weeks ago, we flew to Dallas with a skeleton crew of just me and Josh, and we really had to pack lighting wise. When every single bag that you take on the airplane costs money, you really have to be selective with what you choose to take. So the location that we were shooting in was kind of comparatively smaller than other locations that we've shot in. So we really had to get creative to maximize the space. So we had this great idea where we're gonna have every single one of our extras and the artists lay down on the floor in a giant kind of a cuddle puddle. We're gonna have one soft overhead light, and then we're gonna have somebody move that light kind of over the entire group. As the lighting would change over each person, we got a really cool dynamic effect. Basically, it was a soft, moving key light, and we didn't bother to use any fill light. So our subjects would drift into a dark but soft shadow as the light would pass by.
Technically, we actually used 2 lights because I actually had Chris shine his flashlight into the lens to create some cool lens flaring. I also used my Femi filtered lens distortion tool to distort the flare even more. Okay guys, it's a pretty simple setup. You just have one C-stand and an arm, and then your 300D with your light dome on the end of the arm, and then pretend that this bed was here and we aren't as crowded as we are. Pretend that there's actually talent on the ground. All you do is you would swing the light back and forth over the talent, and it's that easy. And that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to click like, click subscribe, and click the notification bell so you know when we release new videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and as always, remember to keep it chill.